Hey everyone, in this video we're going to go through how to draw in one-point perspective. So to draw in one-point perspective, we'll start off with a horizontal line. And this horizontal line is called the horizon line. And anywhere on the horizon line, we'll choose a point. And this point is called the vanishing point. And when we draw in one-point perspective, we'll need to start off with a face. And the face can be of any face on the shape or object. For example, like this. And afterwards, we'll have guiding lines which leads towards the vanishing point. And we will also add in the edges which we'll be using as well. And also thicken the edges which we'll be using. And the next step, we'll choose the lines which we'll rub out to create the final one-point perspective drawing. So after we rub it out, it will look like this. So this is our one-point perspective drawing. And hope you guys have found this video useful and see you in the next tutorial.